Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. In this chapter, we will learn about the states of Karnataka, their lifestyle, and about the state of Andhra Pradesh, the lifestyle of the people living in the Andhra Pradesh, language spoken by the people, tourist visit places. In the next state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu and the capital of Tamil Nadu. People living in the state of Tamil Nadu, their lifestyle, popular dance form, language spoken by the people, and the food items eaten by the people. Karnataka. It is located towards the south of Maharashtra. Bangalore is the capital city. Other important cities in the states are Mysore, Hubli, Bijapur, Dharwad, and Belgaum. The main rivers flowing through Karnataka are Krishna and Kaveri. Most of the people are farmers and grow ragi, jowar, cotton, sugarcane, coffee, nuts, and spices. The forests are rich in teak and sandalwood trees. Karnataka is the largest producer of silk in India. The state is known for handicrafts made of sandalwood. The Kolar gold mines and Kudremukh iron ore mines are very important. A number of industries have developed in the states. Some of them are aircrafts, telephone, automobiles, electronic goods, and textile. Bangalore is an important center of IT industry. Most people speak Kannada, Hindi, and English languages. The Shera is the important festival in Mysore. Jogfall, Vrindavan Garden near Mysore, statue of Gomteshwar in Nandibul Temple, Hampi Temple are great tourist attraction in the Karnataka state. Karnataka is located towards the south of Maharashtra, the southern direction. The capital city of Karnataka is Bangalore. The other important cities in the state of Karnataka are Mysore, Hubli, Bijapur, Dharwad, and Belgaum. These are the most important cities in the state of Karnataka, and these are the most beautiful cities. And Bangalore is also important center of IT industry. It is also known as the important center for the IT industry. A number of industries have been developed in the state of Bangalore. Some of the other industries are aircraft, telephone, automobiles, electronic goods, and textile industries. The main rivers flowing in the state of Karnataka are Krishna and Kaveri river, and most of the people are farmers. The occupation of the people, most of the people are farming, and they like to grow ragi, jowar, cotton and sugarcane, then coffee, nuts, and a variety of spices. Spices means masale. The forest of this area is rich in teak and sandalwood, chandan, that is called chandan. Sandalwood is called chandan in Hindi. And Karnataka is the largest producer of silk in India. The state is known for gold mines like Kolar gold mines. These are the Kolar gold mines from where the gold take out from by digging the earth. Kudrumukh iron ore mines are very important. These are the iron ores which is very important. The iron dig out from the surface of the earth from the mines. And Dashera is the most important festival of this state. Mysore, Jogfall, Vrindavan Garden, near Mysore. Vrindavan Garden is near Mysore. Statue of Gomteshwar in this picture on your screen is about the statue of Gomteshwar, which is in the state of Karnataka. So this statue is famous all over the world and tourists come to see this statue. This next picture is Nandi temple, Nandi bull temple. As shown in the picture, this picture is a bull. And the next is Hampi temple. This is a Hampi temple. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. The main occupation of Andhra Pradesh is farming. The farmers of Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh grow rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane, and groundnut. Telugu and Urdu are the main languages spoken by the people here. Kuchipudi is the popular dance form. Bidri work on brass and copper items is a specialty of this state. The Charminar, Salarjung Museum and the Hussain Sagar Lake are popular tourist spots. Tirupati is an important temple town in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Now, our next state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is also in the southern plateau region of India. The lifestyle of the people is very interesting and different from other states. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a very beautiful city, and this city is in Andhra Pradesh. Charminar. Charminar is a very beautiful monument in the state of Hyderabad. This is a picture of Charminar. Most of the people do farming in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Farming is the main occupation done by the people. So farmers grow rice, jowar. Rice and jowar are the main crops grown by the farmers in the state of Hyderabad or Andhra Pradesh. Tobacco means hota hai zarda. The cigarette is made by tobacco. The picture of on your screen is about tobacco. Next is sugarcane and groundnut. Sugarcane is used for making sugar and groundnut is used for making oil. So these are the main food crops which are grown by the farmers in the state of Hyderabad. Telugu and Urdu are the main languages, and Kuchipudi is the popular dance form in the state which is performed by the artists in the state of Hyderabad or Andhra Pradesh. Bidri work or brass copper items are a specialty of this state. This Charminar, Salarjung Museum. This is about Charminar, which I have already explained you before. And this is Salarjung Museum. This picture is about Salarjung Museum, which is situated in the state. And then Hussain Sagar Lake. This is a Hussain Sagar Lake, which is famous and which is a tourist spot. The tourists come to visit these places. The next is Tirupati temple. This is a golden temple and it is famous all over the world. So this temple is visited by most of the tourists. Every year tourists come to visit these temples to see the scenic beauty of these temples. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India. Its capital is Chennai. Vellore, Coimbatore and Madurai are some main cities. Popular hill stations in the state are Udagamandalam, Ooty and Kodaikanal. Marina Beach in Chennai is one of the longest beaches in the world. Main national park is Madumalai National Park. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of India. The state is also famous for its silk saris. Kuchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. Farming is the main economic activity. Rice, sugarcane, cotton, and groundnut are the main crops. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. Bharatnatyam is the most popular dance. Tamil is the main language. Pongal is the most popular festival. People eat rice, idli, dosa, upma, sambar, and curd. Major tourist centers are Mamal Puram, Kanchipuram, Rameshwaram, Chindabaram, and many other places. Our next state is Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. This is Chennai, which is a very beautiful city and is the capital of the state Tamil Nadu. Vellore, Coimbatore, and Madurai are some main important cities which is situated. Ooty is a famous popular hill station, and this picture on your screen is about the Marina Beach. Marina Beach is in Chennai and one of the largest beach in the world. The national parks like Madumalai National Park is one of the most important national park in the state of Tamil Nadu. Animals like elephant, tiger, lion are found in the national park of Madumalai. So these beautiful and wonderful animals found in the state. Next is this is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the India, and this is Kanchipuram sari, which is the main silk sari. Then farming is the main occupation in the state. This is Bharatnatyam, the most popular dance form. Pongal is the most important festival celebrated by the people in the state. And the main food items are idli, dosa, upma, and sambar and curd. These are the main food items eaten by the people in the state. The major tourist attractions are Mamlapuram, Kanchipuram, Rameshwaram, and Chindabaram temple in the state. Hope you understand this part of chapter number 5. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.